You're not going to believe what I just found at Dollar Tree. Anthropologie and Magnolia dupes for under $5, plus Halloween decor, gorgeous new finds, and DIY ideas you'll want to try today. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and come shopping with me. You won't want to miss a single find. Have you seen this metal ribbon in the Crafter Square section and thought, what would I even do with that? Here's an idea. Grab a hurricane base and some E6000 and you can make a high-end candle holder that looks just like one from Anthropologie for a fraction of the cost. Anthropologie's version runs between $24 and $28. The Dollar Tree version, you can make two for under $5. Then I spotted something that made me stop in my tracks. A big birch and vine display just sitting on the carts, not even stocked yet. If you watched my other haul, you know these items hit another store about a month ago. I'll link that video below. But why was I so excited? Because I missed out on the little globes last time, and I was kicking myself when I later saw something almost identical on Magnolia's website for $28. Magnolia's version is 4 inches taller, but look how similar they look. And Dollar Tree is $1.25. This collection is amazing. The other thing I skipped last time were the woven boxes, but then I watched Fia Garcia here on YouTube make a gorgeous lamp and shade with them. I knew I had to at least try making the lampshade. I'll link Fia's video in the description box as well. You'll want to check her out. She is so creative. And just a quick tip though when shopping for these woven boxes, the sizes vary and you'll want the largest one for this project. Now let's get into the Halloween portion of this haul. Every time I go to Dollar Tree in the last couple of weeks, I'm seeing better and better. It's crazy to me how many unique things they are coming out with for the holiday. Take for example this vintage looking pumpkin dish, a great piece of fall decor to keep out for the whole season. It works for both Halloween and Thanksgiving. Keeping with the vintage vibes were these adorable shelf sitters. I love the images. My favorites are the pumpkins. In fact, I have a craft video coming soon where I elevate this find, so make sure you are subscribed with your notifications on so you don't miss it. It's a super easy craft. And speaking of an easy DIY, have a look at these open book signs. You could hang them like they are intended to, or you could grab an easel from the picture frame department and a creepy crawly bug from either the seasonal section or the toy department, and look how much better it looks. It's a no DIY. I just used painter's tape so that I could change this out if I wanted to and it wouldn't damage the image. And one of my absolute favorite finds from this trip is the skull candy dish. It's only $3 and it makes a huge statement. Of course you could fill it with candy, but I think it would look amazing with a potted plant in it too. Now, it's not an exact dupe, but take a look at the Pottery Barn version. It's metal and will set you back $200. Dollar Tree's version is plastic, but for the price, you will still have money left over for the other decor. Another high quality item were the framed spooky holographic images. These are $7, but the quality is so good. Not only does the image change, they light up and make scary sounds, and it includes the batteries. This is an item you will have for years to come, so it's totally worth the $7. Another great find are these bat tapered candles. Anthropologie's version costs $26 for a pair and is currently sold out. You'd even have to join a waitlist to get them. Dollar Tree's version, just $1.50 each, and they're actually thicker than their usual tapered candles. Such a great dupe and savings. One of my favorite $1.50 items is the skull with the crow, or is it a raven? Either way, this is super heavy and they have one similar in the plus section, but there isn't much difference. I'll be crafting with this version in the Halloween DIY video, so don't forget to subscribe for that. Now, how about these skeleton tongs? They come in either gray, white, or black. What a great addition to any serving bowl, or use them to craft and decorate with. Either way, the quality is impressive and they are a great find for $1.50. And don't skip the Halloween picks. They are also $1.50, but well worth it, and I will be crafting with this one. They had quite a few to choose from, but they won't last, so grab them when you see them. And don't forget the creepy cloth. It instantly elevates and finishes off any tablescape or display. At Walmart, you'll pay twice the price for the same size. This is another grab it before it's gone. One last thing before we move away from Halloween. I think we might actually need a part 2. But from the book section, I picked up these black hardcover books, also for the crafting DIY video. I'm turning them into spooky Halloween books once you take off their jackets. You could totally leave them as they are and stack them to use as risers for your Halloween decor. But we're going to give them a makeover, so stay tuned for that. Now let's have a peek over in the beauty aisle for a minute. I wanted to show you these masks by Miss Spa. They are reclosable, so they are actually 3+ uses, and they come in mango, blueberry, and watermelon. And I'm adding one to the giveaway. We have 28 items and counting. All you have to do is subscribe and comment to enter. Every comment counts as an entry. Now the nail polish correcting pen and the nail drying drops I hauled a while ago, and I've had some time to use them, and I wanted to report back. I love them both and highly recommend. They are 10 out of 10. Next in the beauty aisle, I found a name brand hair growth product by Softy. It must be a closeout because I couldn't find a retail price online, but similar products go for 3 to 4 times the price. And check out this name brand foot scrub by Onyx. These retail for twice the amount at other stores. A great find, and I can't wait to try it. Now I noticed they brought back the Bio Pure hand wipes that sold out fast last time. While they're a cute idea, these wipes are about the size of a piece of toilet paper and aren't very moist. Honestly, I'd save your money on this one. Now over in the food section, I found a couple of brand name finds. First up is the Vitality Protein Shake by No Sugar Company. These retail for over $2 each at Walmart. My store had chocolate and vanilla. It was pretty good too. I do notice that with these drinks like this, they go very fast. So if you like something, grab a few. The next name brand find were the Margaritaville sugar-free instant pudding mixes. And if you have watched my other hauls, you know I'm always on the hunt for low sugar and sugar-free finds for my fiance, who is diabetic. Anyway, my store had coconut key lime, which was delicious and refreshing. And they also had mango, which tasted like peach to us. I didn't care for it, but he didn't mind. And the last item in the food section was this hot honey. I have never seen hot honey at Dollar Tree before. This 6-ounce bottle can get pretty pricey at other stores, so for $1.25, it's a great deal. I also wanted to make sure to share this new find. Well, it's new to me anyway. It's a plus storage item, and I know I've paid way more for drawer storage pieces like this before. They are so great and they're stackable. They fit in so many spaces, and the slide-out drawer makes them super handy. I also wanted to remind you not to skip the 4 for $1 vinyl and faux leather. You don't have to use it with a cutting machine, and the faux leather is great for crafting. I picked up a couple more of the black faux leather. Such a great deal for 25 cents. And over in the frames, I spotted this huge 11 by 14 inch picture frame in a brushed gold. I have to tell you, this might be the first gold frame from the Dollar Tree that doesn't look cheap or need repainting. The frames are still $1.25, and this is a steal for this size frame. That's it for today's haul. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps my new channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.